to make this as a wee video just because it'd be easier to explain. Right, so I'm going to start off by opening up Eclipse Installer. I downloaded Eclipse earlier and installed it. So anyway, once that's on, you want to do Eclipse IDE for Java developers. Now here, the default one's fine. I was trying to go back in time to the oldest one there was, which was version 17, thinking that might have fixed the export feature, but it didn't. So you would have to go way back to versions way before 17, and God knows how old that will be. That's the problem. The code that was written at the time was satisfactory for the runtime. At the minute it's up to version 19. So that's it. That's what I'll run here, just as for this example. Okay, when that's finished, hit launch. Yeah, notice over here this zip file, that's the file that you sent me earlier. So when this pops up, you just want to go launch, yeah, whatever, that'll do fine. It's basically saying where can we store files while you work on this. So notice in the Project Explorer, I already have a project here because I've already opened it before I did this video. And that what I'm looking at over here, this Project Explorer, that is this file here. So because I've already done that, I'm gonna remove that. Just delete it out. Hit OK. Now I know I'll need to very quickly. No, I won't. I'll just do what will happen with you when you're doing this. Then you go File and Open Projects from the File System. And we want to go to the directory or archive. Well, we know a zip file's an archive, so we'll go Archive. And then on the desktop, I'm going to choose that file that you sent me earlier on, the zip file. So hit Open. So it's telling me that I've already done this, and I did this just as in a previous step. So we've already done it, just hit OK and finish. So there it is. Those errors wouldn't happen if you've already opened it. So once we've got the project imported, you want to make sure you selected the overall project at the top, and then do Run and hit Run. It's giving us a pop-up to say there's some sort of errors, and do we want to proceed? Hit Proceed, and the app program opens up. And the animate button actually does work. Although I tried it earlier on in version 17 and it was much faster than this. So there's a bit of playing about to do with these things. You can't stop the animation either until it completes through all the different settings. Right, I'm not going to sit and wait for the animation to finish, but earlier on when it shows version 17, it beautifully animated, but still the file and export as SVG function does not seem to be working.